Surah Baqarah is also a surah that for the first time it carried the laws from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Shariat. When the Prophet ﷺ was in Makkah, as I said, for those people who came a little late to join the khutbah, Surah Baqarah is a Madani surah. It was revealed to Muhammad ﷺ when he migrated to Medina, and it was revealed for 10 long years to Muhammad ﷺ. This is the surah where you for the first time see the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala started to begin. The Shariat started to be revealed to Muhammad ﷺ about family laws, laws of inheritance, laws of economy, political laws, laws of war. So all these things you will find it in Surah Al-Baqarah. Your relationships with others, how to deal with your friends, all this, it starts with Surah Al-Baqarah. It was not there when Muhammad ﷺ was there in Makkatul Mukarramah for 13 years. The laws were not revealed to him. In Medina, the laws started to be revealed to Muhammad ﷺ.